Hi guys, my name is Ankita. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The beauty market is really doing well, and every week we have some new launches, or every month. It's very difficult to keep up with this, but also it's very overwhelming. I shopped for a few new launched items. Now these items are either launched on Macron, Tira or on Nykaa. So let's dive into the video. My first product is this Maybelline Lifter Lip Liner in the shade 03 Player. This lip liner in the shade Player is the perfect warm brown that instantly defines and enhances the lips. It glides on smoothly, giving a clean sculpted look whether you wear it alone or pair it with your favorite lipstick. If there is one drugstore lip liner that I actually recommend you to get your hands on, it is this one from Maybelline, the Lifter Liner. It is very creamy, it blends very smoothly. Also, the shade Player is a perfect warm brown shade that will suit so many skin tones, not only fair or dark, but I think this will actually go perfect with every brown lipstick for every skin tone girl. Now my next product is this Ruby's One Stick, which is very viral on the internet and I had to really give it a try. Ruby Organics One Stick Sculpt is a versatile cream contour that helps define and shape your face with a natural skin-like finish. You can swipe it along your cheekbones, jawline and sides of the nose, then blend it out for soft sculpted definition and effortless everyday contour. It's such a versatile product. You can either use it on the face or you can also use as an eyeshadow. It doesn't say, but it totally works fine as an eyeshadow. You also use this to contour your lips. I also use this as a lipstick at times. This product is such a hit in my opinion. I have already shown you the reference how it actually contours the face. This is exactly what I am wearing at the moment, and see how snatched my face looks. Highly recommend getting this from the newest launch. My next viral product is this Maybelline Serum Lipstick, which comes in two finishes. One is the matte finish and one is the glossy finish. I got my hands on the glossy one because I'm not really a fan of matte lips. It's exactly the lipstick I am wearing at the moment and it's in the shade 106. Maybe it's soft. It's a very nice nude color, everyday kind of nude color, which is between peach and brown, and I highly recommend, if you are around my skin tone, give this shade a try because it's not very dark and it's not very light. It's that perfect neutral nude shade that you need for your everyday wear. It's not a very new formulation. We've had such formulations before from different brands, but I think it just glides on like butter. Like you can see, it has the serum infused, which does not let your lips dry out. Like most lipsticks make my lips really dry, and that's the reason from lipsticks I have switched on to Korean tints. But this one, this did not disappoint me. Also, if you are somebody who is not into matte lipsticks, then I highly recommend trying this. This gives you a very glossy finish. You can't really make out if this is a lipstick or a gloss. So if you love this kind of formulation, I highly recommend trying this. Here's the close-up. That's exactly how it looks without the lip liner. The next product is this one from NYX. This was very viral on TikTok and on the internet, and I'm glad that it's launched on Nykaa now. I got it in two shades. One is Smudge Fudge and the other one is Sweet Smack. Now I read a lot of mixed reviews on the internet, but let me give you my honest opinion. That's what I feel. They are very nice, they are moussey, they are matte, and of course you have to use tad bit product so that it does not smudge. Now with mousse texture, there is a challenge that it kind of either spreads and makes it a mess. So ensure that you are taking a very tiny amount and then kind of applying it on your lips and keep smudging either with the applicator or with your finger. Feels lightweight, adds a soft wash of color and is perfect for an effortless everyday lip. Also, it's a lip balm, and that's one of the reasons why it is very hydrating on the lips. It's not going to heal your chapped lips, but if you don't want to wear a tint or a lipstick, then this is a good option. An alternative. Next product is again from NYX. Since they have launched 3 to 4 items all of a sudden on Nykaa, I got these fat cheek blushes. A lot of people on internet said that it's probably another blush and we don't need it, but I actually don't agree with it. Got it in two shades. One is Fig Fizz and the other one is Dragon Fruit Drip. Now they give such a juicy fresh blush to the cheeks. The creamy formula blends effortlessly into the skin, making it perfect for a quick natural looking glow. It has a water kind of formulation that blends into the cheeks so well. I also use this as a gloss and it looks fantastic, especially the shade Dragon Fruit. My next product is again from NYX. It's the Ivy Hydrating Gloss Serum. Now it's like a regular gloss, but it leaves a stain behind so that if you are outside or you're eating, you still have that tint that it leaves behind. and you don't have to go through the hassle of keep replenishing your lip gloss in every hour. Alright guys, so my next product is again from NYX, the Fat Lip Oil. This was launched approx 2 years back and it was so viral on the internet. It's a hydrating lip gloss which is a little thick in texture in my opinion. Comes with this giant doe foot applicator that I really like, and also some people compare it with Dior lip oils, but Dior lip oils are a little sheer. This one has a good color payoff. The shade is Mist Call and that's one coat of the lip oil. You can see it's very pink. Will it work on pigmented lips? I am not sure, but non-pigmented lips definitely yes. You can see. The darkest shade in this range is News Feed. So if you have pigmented lips, I highly recommend trying that shade. Now the launch that I was excited for the most is the Bray Cheek and Lip Tint. This was viral in K-beauty industry on TikTok so much that I so wanted that some platform should come up with this, and I'm glad that Macron Beauty did come with this. They've used it and that's the reason you can see that it's been utilized a little bit, but the texture is so balmy and the pigment is not that bad. Let me show it to you on my face. That's how pigmented it is, and it comes in different shade range. It also comes in the maroons and in the pinks and in the lightest peachish brownish color. So there is a good color variant in this. I have oily to combination skin. It does not look very oily. It gives that right amount of shine on the cheeks. Now Hints is launched on Tira, and the moment I saw that Hints is there on Tira, my very first product was this cute looking tint. It's similar to the Fee Pots. I have tried using it a little bit. It's in the shade Berry Dew, shade number 14. You can use this on your lips and cheeks. Again, it's a versatile product, but this one is very balmy. And this one is sheer to buildable, but it's going to give you a very dewy and glossy finish. One more coat. That's exactly 2 coats of it. I absolutely love the aesthetic packaging. It gives such a fresh dewy flush to the cheeks and blends beautifully for that natural glass skin glow. It gives prettiest dewy flush and melts into the skin for a very natural glow. The next product is again from Hints. It's the Glow Stick and I got it in Flutter shade. Cool Flutter is the shade name. It's a lavender shade blush and it's very sheer at the beginning. You can try to build it up, but the finish will remain sheer because that's how the texture of this blush is. It gives skin a very dewy highlight without looking glittery. It melts into the skin and adds that effortless glass skin glow. If you love natural glow kind of blushes, then this one is something that I recommend. It glides smoothly, blends easily with fingers and gives the skin subtle radiant sheen. It's been a little while that Morphe has been launched on Nykaa. Morphe has reformulated the whole range and I'm really loving what they've done with the makeup. Now this one is the trio from them that comes in different shades. It also comes with this lid that covers your cream and the balm side. So they have a creamy blush, they have the balm blush, and then they have the powder blush, and that's how the shade looks. You can clearly see that the balm one has some sheen to it. And does it accentuate the texture? I would say if you have a very textured skin, this may accentuate your texture. When applied on face, it actually looks very beautiful. This is the Morphe Cheek Thrill Multi-Finish Face Trio in the shade Blind Date. It comes in 3 beautiful blush finishes that let you customize your glow. From soft matte flush to a radiant sheen, the shades blend effortlessly into the skin and give the cheeks that fresh, healthy pop of color. I think it's a perfect blush palette that has a glossy finish, a matte finish, and that balmy finish. So it's all in one, and the price point is quite affordable according to that. He has also launched its Hot Shot Blush, a beautiful lightweight liquid blush that delivers a fresh luminous flush to the cheeks. The silky formula blends seamlessly into the skin, creating a soft radiant glow that looks effortlessly natural and refined. I think this blush is very elegant and I got it in the shade it's That Girl. That was the lightest shade. In the pink variant, they also have a dark pink color, but I think this will suit light skin tone girls really well. Now the last launch that we've come to is Colorcram. I have these 2 products from Colorcram. This is a lip and a cheek tint again, and this one is a lip tint. It's Water Glow Tint from Colorcram. First of all, I really love the packaging. It's very compact, it's easy to carry. I'm not really fond of the wand. It's very slim. It actually makes it difficult to remove the product. I really wish they can actually work on this. but the shade Geek Rose is a perfect mauvish kind of shade that will suit a lot of skin tones again. Also, it has that blurring effect, so it blurs your pores on the cheeks. That's how one coat of this looks on my lips. It's very soft, it's blurry, it does blur your fine lines. If you are around my skin tone, then this will complement you a lot. This is in the shade Lychee, Sulky Lychee. It's a very nice, pretty, soft pink lychee kind of shade, and it's not a very high shine gloss. Texture is pretty similar to Romantins. Like if you have Romantins, you probably don't need this unless you fall for the cute packaging. With this, we have come to an end. I really hope that you liked my recommendations. Please, please, please subscribe my channel if you're loving my content, and please give a thumbs up. A like would really help me motivate to make more such videos. Till then, goodbye.